Okay. Now, do you have any idea what figures of speech are?
Figures of speech.
Okay. Do you know what parts of speech are?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are parts of speech?
Brain reading. Brain reading.
No, ma'am.
No. Parts of speech consist of noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. These are all called parts of speech. Okay, parts of speech are those which help us to frame proper sentences, okay, and make a language sound grammatically correct. Okay, those are parts of speech. Parts of speech make a language grammatically correct. Okay, so like noun, pronouns, and these things, they make your language correct. Like, if you're using the right kind of nouns, the right kind of prepositions, the right kind of pronouns, only then your language is going to sound correct, right? See, if I'm not using the correct form of verb, if I'm not using the correct pronoun for a boy, if I'm using she, is it grammatically correct? No, na? If I say that she is a boy, now she goes wrong with a boy. She cannot go with a boy, right? So grammatically the sentence will be wrong. Understood? So those are called parts of speech. Parts of speech help you to make sentences in a proper manner without making any grammatical mistake. Understood? Now figures of
Yes.
speech. What are figures of speech? Figures of speech are those which help your language sound more poetic or more interesting. Okay, now learning sentences is all a part of grammar. Grammar, where you learn the language. Okay, you're learning the language skills in terms of grammar, where, like, you know, you're paying attention to the verbs, pronouns, adverbs, conjunctions, and all these. But figures of speech will make your write up or any kind of, like, you know, if you're making an essay, if you're writing a composition, if you're writing a poem, it will make it more interesting. Okay, so those are figures of speech. Like alliteration, which many of you must be knowing. Okay, what are alliterations?
Yes, ma'am.
What are alliterations?
I know, ma'am.
In the line they are in the first word same letter is coming.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Alliterations are where you have the repetition of the same beginning sounds. Okay, you have the same beginning sounds in a sentence or a poem. Okay, like
Peter Piper.
Betty bought a butter, but the butter was bitter, so she bought a better butter to make the bitter butter better. So this is where the entire sentence has most of the words starting with B. Okay, so that becomes very interesting, right? When you are having these kind of twists in a sentence, they are called tongue twisters also. Okay, so they make your language interesting, they make your poems interesting, they make your
Also.
yes,
On the seashell.
yes,
Ma'am, in tongue twisters also, TT.
yes, tongue twisters. So your tongue gets twisted when you're talking. Kacha papad, pakka papad kind of thing. Okay? Even in kacha papad, pakka papad, you will have to, you have difficulty in saying it again and again. Okay? So those are alliterations. Then you have similes. Similes, how many of you know what similes are? Similes are those where you're trying to compare something. Okay? You're comparing something.
Okay,
Something
now
very
Ranjana,
different.
I think this US technologies जो है ना, for that
Someone has a lot of disturbance. Will you all please mute yourself?
Was not visible.
I want you all to immediately mute yourself. There is a lot of disturbance. I can hear someone talking.
और लास्ट में क्या आता है? She sells
Can you check?
on the
Thus,
seashore,
what did you
na?
say? I am asking you to mute yourself, please. Request. Otherwise, I can mute you all from my end. Do I need to do that?
No.
You will all mute yourself. Daksh is still not on mute. Okay, now similes. Similes are where you're trying to compare something with another thing, an unusual thing. Like you say, he runs as fast as a cheetah. Now, is it possible for a person to run as fast as a cheetah? You are just comparing it. You are telling,
Yes,
like,
ma'am.
see, he runs so fast like a cheetah. Okay, so
Ma'am, yes. Usain Bolt.
similes are where you are using as or like to compare something. Okay, understood? So this is how you identify a simile. A
Yes,
simile
ma'am.
can be identified wherever you're using as or like, and you're trying to compare with some other thing. That becomes a simile. Like if I say, she is as light as feather. Now, is it possible for a person to be so light as a feather? A human cannot be as light as a feather. Feather is weightless. It is just in milligrams. Okay, but still we compare with a person with a feather. She is so light like a feather. Or you say she is as light as a feather. So whenever you're using as or like, that becomes a simile. Understood? Now another one is
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
metaphor. Are you taking note of all this? I want you to be taking note of all this in your notebooks. Metaphor. Okay, metaphor is where, again, you're trying to compare it with something, but you will not be using these words as and like. Understood? Who's writing this? It can be he is not. Who's written this? Daksh? It's wrong. You can't compare anybody like he is naughty. It is his nature. Naughtiness is not a comparison. You are trying to, in similes, you try to compare something that is not related with it. Like light as a feather. Light as a feather. Can a person be like light as a feather? No. Okay. So that is
Ma'am,
not.
sorry, I write it by.
I didn't ask
write
you.
because
Daksh, if
I
you are
was
trying to
muted.
disturb the class, I'm going to remove you from the group. As simple as that. Do you understand? You are not going to try your mischief and all that in the class here. Now, metaphor and similes. Did you follow what similes are? I will show you a video also. Let me first explain to you and then I'll show you a video where all examples will be given and you will be able to understand it better. Okay, similes are there.
Yes.
I didn't saw the video.
What
I
are
didn't
the
show the
examples
video, dear.
of
I didn't show
metaphor?
the video. Swaraj, I have not
Ma'am,
shared the video as yet. Okay, I'm just explaining first and then I'll show you the video. Okay, similes.
what are the examples of? Okay, ma'am.
Similes are where you are trying to compare something with an unusual thing or with very different thing. Okay, like he is as fat as a hippopotamus. So is it possible when you're comparing a person with a hippopotamus, how can a person be so fat as a hippopotamus? It is not possible, but we are comparing. Okay, as fat as a hippopotamus or as big as an elephant. Okay,
Ma'am.
those are called similes. Now, metaphor is where you are trying to compare with someone, but that then you are not using the words like and as. Okay, in a metaphor, you will just say like he is what do I say? He is
Man, he is
he is
as
a
tall
wild
as a
animal.
door.
If I say he is a wild animal, that means he is ferocious like a wild animal, but he is not a wild animal. I'm comparing it very, very differently. Like I'm trying to compare a human being with a wild animal. Wild animal का मतलब क्या होता है? Wild animal is somebody who is very, very bad or ferocious. डरावना या बहुत लोगों को डराने वाला, है ना? So that's a wild animal. So in a metaphor, I will not use these words as in like, but I will just say he's a wild animal. Means वो जंगली है, वो जानवर है. Okay? तो वैसे हम लोग जब किसी को कंपेयर करते हैं then you are using a metaphor. Understood? Have you understood? Yes. Now there's a new
Yes,
word,
ma'am.
which is little funny for you all. Okay. Onomatopoeia. Okay. Some of you must have heard this here because you have this. Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is words which make sounds. Okay. Like a dog. How does it bark? How does a dog bark? Bow wow. Yes. So that's an onomatopoeia. So sometimes in sentences and all also you write na. When I say shh, keep quiet. What is that shh which is being made? That is a sound which I'm making.
Ma'am,
Okay, which means I want you to keep
there
quiet.
is a song on onomatopoeia.
Yes, there will be a song on onomatopoeia also. But onomatopoeia means the sound words. Okay, if I bang the door, bang is an onomatopoeia. Where जोर से दरवाजा पटकते हो, that sound of the door comes like a bang. Okay, so bang is an onomatopoeia. It is a sound word. It is showing that the door has banged. मतलब जोर से आवाज से बंद हुआ, जोर की आवाज से बंद हुआ, bang करके बंद हुआ. Boom, bang, zoom, okay, crack. These are all onomatopoeia words. Understood? Did you follow?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will show you a video and similes. Okay, I will show you a video on similes, after which we will see a video on onomatopoeias also.
मैम जूम मीटिंग फॉर 40 मिनट्स आ रहा है.
In this video, we are going to learn about similes. This is going to be so awesome. But first, we want to hear from you. Inara and Inaya, ages 6 and 5 from Puerto Rico, said, "We loved the hurricane video. We are glad you enjoyed the video. We also heard from 9-year-old Jacoby, such a big fan, Jacoby. We featured on one of our videos, going to learn about similes. Similes are a lot of fun to use. In fact, you probably already use similes, maybe even without realizing it. You might be wondering, what are similes? How could I have used them if I don't even know what they are? Similes are actually a way of comparing two things. We compare things all of the time. Look at this comparison. The baby sleeps like a koala. In this sentence, we are comparing the baby to a koala.
Okay, are you able to hear clearly? Are you able to hear the video clearly?
No. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and that it is like as a dick going.
It's breaking?
Coming break.
Okay,
Yes.
it's breaking. Okay, in that case, I will switch off the sound. I will play the video and I will simultaneously explain to you. Okay? Now, see here, they have compared the baby with a koala. Okay, koala is a bear. Koala bear. Have you heard about koala bear?
And एक और NPSD है.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. He can climb this.
One request again. You will all mute yourself. Okay, because I can hear voices from your end which will disturb us. Okay, now, so the baby sleeps like a koala bear. Koala bear is a small bear that is there in the forest, in Amazon forest and those forests, where it is actually very, very cute. Okay, so that is showing that it is.
Right?
Ma'am,
और एक है कोई तो मुझे भी नाम नहीं याद है.
it is in China also.
Yes, it is in
मैम
China.
एक्चुअली वो बहुत डेंजरस होता है. एक्चुअली वो डेंजरस होता है. उसका क्लॉज।
Did you hear?
तो ये तीन भेजे ना, ये क्लोज है, इसमें से शायद ये तीनों भी
Mute
try
yourself,
करेंगे।
please. Now his sister is as gentle as lamb. As gentle as lamb. Lamb means, lamb is what? A baby sheep. Okay. So lamb is very delicate and cute. Okay. So
Light one.
they're comparing that she's as gentle. Gentle means nazuk. Okay. So she's as gentle as a lamb. Now here, the baby sleeps like a koala. And his sister is as gentle as a lamb. Okay, these
Ma'am,
are
can
all.
I tell for the guy who is working?
Comment में show
Yes, tell
He
me.
is as busy as a bee.
He
He
is
is
as,
as
yes,
busy
very
as a
good.
bee.
He is as busy as a bee. That's again a simile. Okay, as gentle as a lamb, as sleeping like a koala bear. Okay, and as busy as a bee. Those are all similes where you are comparing something with some other thing. Okay, now busy as a bee. Why do we compare as a busy as a bee? Because bees are all the time
Because
busy
he is very
collecting nectar from the flowers and they make honey. Okay, all through their life, bee does only this work. It will just go to the flowers, collect the nectar, and go and keep it in its hive. Okay, it collects in its hive. So that is where a bee is being compared with a busy person is being compared with a bee.
Ma'am, it is a worker bee. Ma'am,
Okay, similes are comparison words. Okay, they are comparisons where you are trying to use words like and as. Okay, learning is as easy as,
doubt, ma'am.
learning is as easy as a pie. Pie means, pie is like you have a choco pie. You all know choco pie, na?
yes,
So
choco pie.
now because
Yes.
now because
Yes,
we have,
I ate a choco pie.
yes, now learning has become easy because we have videos and all this. See, I'm also showing you a video. So learning has become as easy as a pie for you. Just eating like a pie, you are just learning so easily. Now similes are a way of comparing things. Okay, when you are using as and like to compare things. Now the strawberries are red like roses. Roses are very, very red. So the strawberries are being compared to roses because roses are very red, bright red, and strawberries are also looking the same like roses, as bright as roses, as
Yes,
red as
ma'am.
roses. Okay,
Ma'am,
yes.
मैम क्या हम लोग इंसानों से कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते, बस हम लोग फ्रूट से कंपेयर कर सकते हैं और एनिमल से ना मैम?
नहीं,
और कोई
इंसानों से, हाँ, इंसानों से कंपेयर करेंगे तो फिर इंसान जैसे ही हो जाएगा ना, वो वियर्ड कैसे होगा? Similes are where some unusual
कोई और
comparison is done.
मैम बस एनिमल्स और होगा?
हाँ, एनिमल्स के साथ भी हो सकता है, कोई नेचुरल चीज के साथ भी हो सकता है. He is as hard as a rock. कोई बॉडी बिल्डर है तो उसको कंपेयर कर सकते हो ना, he is as hard as a rock. ओके,
मैम मैं इसके लिए बोलूं?
क्या बोलोगे? Now remember,
he is as good as a
similes have like
as a bee.
or as, like or as in them. Okay,
I am muted.
ma'am, his nails are as sharp as a bear.
okay, yes, good. As sharp as a bear.
कोला बेर का भी बोल सकते हैं ना, उसका भी कॉलस बहुत वो रहता है, इससे वो पेड़ पे चलता है.
Okay. Could you
Claws.
understand that? Could you understand that?
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah. Now
Converting
look at
things
these
or
words.
animals.
Look at these words. What are these words?
Homeschool pop.
It's homeschool pop. It's metal 4.
Boom,
Metal 4.
pop, splash, clank, buzz.
Oh, this is
Okay,
This
these
is
are
the
different
same
sound
word.
words. They're different sound words which are onomatopoeia. Okay, onomatopoeia. Zoom. Zoom किसके लिए use होता है?
splash.
For what do you use Zoom? Zoom is
For
used
the
for
race. For the race.
Running.
Race.
When we go
races.
speedily,
Yes, sports,
When-
especially
Racing.
car
we
race.
are going soon.
For car races, we use
Numbers.
Zoom. Okay, and
Yes.
for boom is for something that falls down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, or something that is
When a bomb,
bursting.
when a bomb
Yes, with
blasts,
bomb blast. Okay,
When a bomb blasts.
in
Yes.
when we burst,
Crashing.
that mountain breaks.
okay,
सब कार
okay.
के टायर पे आग लग
Just
जाती है.
wait. Calm down, calm down. I will ask you one by one which sound they are making. Okay, you will tell me the answers.
मैम आरब से ऐसे आवाज आ रही है.
You are going to keep quiet. All of you will mute yourself, please. Please mute yourself. I'll give you a chance, each one of you, to speak. Okay? Now, who all do we have today here? Anish, can you tell me the sound crack that is used for? What is crack used for?
मैम आई नो.
Crack.
Crack is used for what?
Ma'am, I don't know.
मैम जब वो
To crack
इसके बाद-
something.
Hi, if something cracks,
Ma'am.
a stone
जब
cracks,
जब
a
कोई
door cracks.
तारा टूटता है.
I didn't ask anyone. I have
आवाज
asked
आती है ना?
Anish. Did you people hear me? You want me to mute all of you? From my end, I will be able to do it. Okay? Do you want me to do that? If you want me to mute you all, then I do better do it.
No.
Okay. Now tell me, Swaraj, you will tell me what the sound crash. Okay, crack is the sound that is used to show something is cracking, something that has fallen down, a vase or something that cracks. Okay, when it falls down.
Touch.
Or like a
Crash.
firecracker.
Crash. Crash is the sound of accident. Okay, plane crash, car crash. Yes. Yes.
Crash accident.
Okay.
Now
Now,
come try.
now, Tarun, tell me what is this sound? Bzz sound. B Z Z Z. Buzz sound.
Means the bee.
Very good. Insect or bee sound.
Whistles.
Yes. Then what is the splash sound? Arav Ahuja, tell me the sound.
When something fallen down in water.
You're throwing something on someone when you're splashing water, throwing water on somebody. Splat is where it falls down on the ground. Splash is when you are splashing water on someone also. Okay? When you jump in the swimming pool also, the water splashes. Right?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Jump into the swimming pool, this sound comes. What is this clank sound? Clank? Someone else can give me the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when the door falls down, it means clank.
Something heavy falls down or something heavy bangs, then it makes a clank sound. Okay? So these are the different sounds. Okay, I'll play a video for you now. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Just a second.
Blah, blah,
Ma'am, I can't hear the sound.
Rumble, roar. Did you hear that? What's that?
I want you all to keep quiet, please. Mute yourself. Okay, how was that? Nice?
Nice. Ma'am, I don't know the song, but I heard another
Nice,
song.
ma'am. Ba, ba, blah.
Baba.
Sound of animals.
Sounds of
Bow, bow.
Ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack.
Okay, tell me, what is the sound of ducks?
quack, 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 quack,
Yes.
quack,
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 quack.
quack.
The mice on the
What is the sound here?
Squeak,
What makes squeak sound? Mouse.
The sound of a mouse.
chickens on the farm say cluck, cluck, cluck.
What is the sound of a squeak? Yes, very good. Understood all the sounds? Now you know all the sounds of these?
Yes, ma'am.
1
hour, 1 minute.
Pigs on the farm say oink, oink, oink.
Oink, 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 oink.
What is the sound of pig?
Oink, oink,
Oink, oink, oink.
oink, 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 oink,
On the farm say man.
What was that? The sound of sheep? Yes, very good.
Kukuruku of ba, ba,
Okay, tell me the sound of what? Sound of horse. I'm asking you the sound of horse.
I can make a sound of a puppy.
What was
I
that?
can make a sound of a puppy.
What was the sound of the cock? Cock-a-doodle. Cock-a-doodle.
नहीं
Ma'am, I can make a sound of a puppy. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Quack, quack, quack,
Cat, cat,
quack,
cat, cat, cat. Squeak, squeak. Papa, one day, school, one day.
cluck. The animal.
So how was that?
The animal.
Very funny.
Very, very funny.
Mom, I
ma'am.
can make the sound of a puppy.
Okay.
Donkey.
Mom, I can make the sound of a puppy.
Okay.
Onomatopoeia.
Many of you can make, I'm sure. Okay. Stop it now. We don't have a mimicry class here. I want you all to take it down quickly. We have only 5 minutes left to end the class. Okay? So be serious. And I want you all to take down what I'm showing over here on the board. Okay? Take it down quickly.
Pencil लगेगा.
Mouse.
Mouse. Squeak.
Squeak, 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 squeak.
Duck.
Duck, duck, duck.
Quack, quack, quack,
Quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack.
Mouse, mouse.
Cow.
Ow.
Moo.
Moo.
Quickly, okay? As soon as I'm done, I'm going to erase this.
Pigeons.
Pigeon.
Ooh.
मैम रुको मैं माउस का
Chick. Kakruku, kukuruku. Dog, bhav, bhav.
bark.
Hak.
Ha.
Bark, bow, bow. Bark, bow, bow.
Cat.
Cat, meow. Mew, mew, meow. Meow.
Meow.
Enough of the mimicry. Keep quiet and sit. I want you all to listen. Enough of it. You are enjoying the class. We are having a learning session here, not a mimicry or fun class. Okay? Enough of it. Okay, mute yourself and start writing it. All of you.
Bark, bark. Bow, bow.
I'm done.
Okay, I'll do one thing. Should I mute all of you?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Pause done.
Written down. I'm giving only 1 second now.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm done.
No, ma'am, not done.
Yes, I was with you only.
Duck.
Break. I was finding my pencil. Donkey.
Cow.
Breeze.
C-O-W. Cow.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Enough now.
I'm done.
I'm just going to be done.
I'm done.
I'm done. Mom, देख लो.
Done.
Done?
I'm done.
Okay, great.
Yes.
I'm going to erase this now. Okay?
No, ma'am, not done.
Are?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, not done.
Why are you taking so long?
No, ma'am, not done.
Quickly.
Little bit.
तो हो भी गया.
Okay, listen to me carefully. The session will end in a minute. Okay, we are done with the day's class. I will be sending you.
Ma'am, please.
No. Just I'm going to keep this for a minute now. Okay, just take down. What I'm saying is, I will send you a worksheet on Google Classroom. Okay, please do that. Okay. Only Tarun, MP, Tej. These 3 people are sending me the work. Others are not sending me any work. You have to finish all the work and send me. Okay?
Ma'am, can the answers one? Question answers.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, done.
Yeah.
Okay, so we end the class now. Okay?
No, ma'am, not done. Just one is left.
Bye 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 bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye to all of you. We are ending the session.
No, ma'am, don't.
No, dear, the session will end by itself.
Just
Because
one
the session
word.
is 40 minutes.
Ma'am,
Yes?
can we leave?
Yes, if you're
Can
done, you